So when I first mentioned that you can consistently make profit from trading using a very simple trading strategy and trading system, a lot of people wondered how. They said no, the example I made was a one-off. So I'm here to prove it to you again using the same steps that I used in the last video to make over 100 pips on a single trade. So stay with me while I explain this to you. Now in the last video I told you something, right? Price will only move in either of two directions. It is either moving to the upside or it's moving to the downside. The worst case scenario, it ranges, which means it's going to move in the sideways, but we're not looking to trade that. Now once I know that, it means that I am literally looking for points where it's going to either cause price to move to the upside or it's going to cause price to move in the downside. That is literally those two key things I am looking for when I am using this trading system. Now I do understand that this type of system can be limited in its ways, but for a beginner it is a great way to start to make some money consistently and make some more money, right? So for me to be able to consistently accurately achieve this goal, one of the very first things I do is by starting my analysis from the higher time frame, which is the weekly time frame, and then I work my way down to the lower time frame, somewhere between the 1 hour time frame to the 15 minutes time frame, looking for two very simple things: turning points or continuation points. And once I'm done with that, there are other things that I put in place as well. One of the very first things is that I have a ground rule for the minimum risk to reward I am looking for, and then the next thing is that my risk is properly managed at all times, right? It is just a beginner friendly strategy for you to make some money consistently as a beginner from trading. Again, you do not necessarily need the most complicated system to make money as a trader. If you want to learn this strategy, feel free to hit me up. Use the link in my bio or send me a DM on Instagram, and I'll be willing to help as much as I can. Follow me for more trading tips, and trust me, I've got something great coming your way. So ensure you are following, like, comment, and share this video with somebody who may need it.